What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Take What You Want by Post Malone, Ozzy, and Travis Scott. If you are new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll double punch your face and break both of your eyes. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning. You're going to capo up to the 4th fret. You're only using a few different formations here, and as always I'm going to have the tab that I made for this in the description below, so if you need that once you get done with this video, check the description. The tab will be there for you. So this chord progression you can pretty much play throughout the entire song. It's picked through most of it, and then towards the end it starts to kind of palm mute it. I will show you how the picking goes. You're going to start with an A minor chord. It's going to be 002210. And you're starting by picking your open A string, G string, high E, B. Again, open A, G string, high E, B. Take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then take your ring finger off and pick those exact same strings. A, G, high E, B. So then go to a C formation. It's going to be 032010. And you're picking A, high E on the 3rd fret, and then pull off to open, and then pluck the B string again. So C, E, pull off to open, B. So all together it's one more time. Now that last chord, you can play it as just an F, but I believe they're playing it up here. I do the 3rd fret on the D string, and then I use my ring finger to bar the G, B, and E on the 5th fret. And you just single strum that. Like I said, if it's easier for you to strum just an F chord, that works perfectly, but I think what they're playing in the song is here. So altogether, the first half of this riff looks like this. One more time. Now for the second half of the riff, you're going right back to that A chord, and you're just picking, or A minor chord, and you're just picking it a little bit differently. Open A, high E, B, G. A, high E, B, G. From there, take your middle finger off and put it on the 2nd fret of the low E, and then pick low E, high E, B, G. And then you're going to go index finger on the 1 of the low E, put your middle finger on the where your index just was on the 1st fret of the B string, and then pick same thing, low E, high E, B, G. And then you're ending on an E major chord, 02210. So that entire second half looks like one more time. that's all it is to it, guys. I'm going to play through it here a few times so you can really see what it looks like. Again, if you need the tab, it is in the description below, so jump into the description, go grab the tab for it. I'm going to play through it a few times here so you can see it fully. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.